How to fix Instagram comments. If you are having trouble with Instagram comments not working, you are not alone. Whether you can't post comments, see comments, or they are just disappearing, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you quick and easy fixes to get your Instagram comments working again. So let's get started. The first step is to check your internet connection. Before anything else, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is unstable, comments might not load properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Step 2 is to restart the Instagram app. For that, simply restart the app. For that, swipe up to close the app, just like this. Now close it. Then reopen it to see if comments work, just like this. Now step 3 is to update the Instagram. For that, go to your app store, just like this, and search for the Instagram app, just like this. Then tap on it, and if there is the update version just like this, you can simply update it. Now the next step is to clear cache and the data. For that, go to the settings, just like this. Then here you can find the general option right here. Now tap on it. Then tap onto iPhone storage. Then scroll down and find the Instagram app, just like this. And then to clear the cache, simply tap onto Offload app. And after offloading it, you can simply clear the cache of the Instagram. Don't forget to reinstall the Instagram app after offloading it. And if nothing works, you can simply restart your phone. For that, simply keep on tapping on this button, just like this. And tap on to restart right here. And after restarting it, it might fix your issue. And that's it. Those are some of the best fixes to get Instagram comments working again. Let me know in the comments if any of these solutions helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.